All right. Question 16 from chapter 13 asks you to identify a couple monosaccharide rings as either the alpha or the beta isomer. Now we saw in the last example in the last problem, how a straight chain, when it goes in water, will start wriggling around. This is a monosaccharide. And eventually, one of the oxygens at the end can attack the carbon in the double bond. Notice, if it attacks from the top, the oxygen that was in the double bond will go down and it'll become an OH. That form is called the alpha form. If it attacks from the bottom, then the oxygen that was in the double bond goes up, becomes an OH, and that form is the beta form. So you have two forms of rings when these rings come together. One form is where the OH is going, the OH next to the oxygen in the ring. Notice this six-membered ring has all carbons except for that one oxygen. It's the OH to the right, on the carbon to the right of that we're looking at. If the OH goes down, it's alpha. If the OH goes up, if that oxygen attacks from the bottom and pushes the OH up, then it's the beta form. So here, it asks you to identify each of these as either the alpha or the beta form. Here's that oxygen in the ring that we were looking at. Now let's move over and pay attention to this carbon to the right of it. The OH coming off of that is going up. And if the OH is going up on that carbon, then it's the beta isomer. Okay, let's try this with B. Orient yourself by the oxygen in the ring. Look to the carbon to the right of that. The OH coming off of that carbon is going down. If the OH on the carbon to the right of the oxygen in the ring is going down, then it's the alpha isomer.